Are you an aspiring psychologist trying to gain practical skills alongside your degree? Or maybe you are already a practicing psychologist wanting to brush up your skills, learning new modalities, and handle clients more confidently? In today's video, I am going to share 10 online courses that will help you do exactly that. Some of these courses are longer and more in-depth for deep learning, while the others are shorter, so you get an overview without feeling overwhelmed. By the end of this video, you will have a roadmap to gain skills, boost confidence, and explore different specializations in counseling psychology. And all of these are budget-friendly and certificate-backed. I have personally tried a few of these during my college years and even after becoming a psychologist. And trust me, they really helped me a lot in understanding the subject, gain more confidence, and work effectively with clients. These courses also give you certificates, which can be a nice addition to your portfolio. But remember, they are not replacements to your degree. Think of them as extra skills and knowledge that are just as important for you and your lifelong psychology journey. And if any topic among these really interests you, I can personally guide you on official certifications or advanced degrees in that area as well. I have also added the link of the courses in the description of this video. Check them out after watching this video. So let's get started. Number 1. CBT Practitioner. This course covers the principles of cognitive behavioral therapy, focusing on identifying and challenging negative thought patterns. You will learn practical techniques like cognitive restructuring and behavioral activation to help clients manage anxiety, depression, stress, and more. The course also emphasizes the importance of developing a therapeutic alliance and setting collaborative goals with clients. Number 2. NLP Practitioner. Neuro-linguistic programming explores the connection between neurological processes, language, and behavioral patterns. This course covers techniques such as anchoring, reframing, and the use of metaphors to facilitate change. You will also learn how to model successful behaviors and apply these strategies to enhance client outcomes. Number 3. Mindfulness Practitioner. Mindfulness involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment. In this course, you will learn various mindfulness practices, including meditation, body scans, mindful breathing, and more. The course also discusses the application of mindfulness in clinical settings to reduce stress and improve emotional regulation. Number 4. Professional Counseling. This course focuses on essential skills needed in counseling such as active listening, empathy, and effective questioning. You will learn how to build rapport and create a safe, non-judgmental space for clients. The course also covers various therapeutic approaches, types of counseling, and how to integrate them into practice. Number 5. Counseling First Aid. This course equips you with skills to provide initial support to individuals experiencing mental health crisis. You will learn how to assess risk, offer assistance, and connect clients with appropriate resources. The course also emphasizes the importance of self-care and maintaining professional boundaries. Number 6. Expressive Arts Therapy. Expressive Arts Therapy uses creative processes to help clients explore and express emotions. In this course, you will learn how to incorporate various art forms such as drawing, painting, and movement into therapeutic practice. The course also discusses the foundations of expressive therapies and their application in different settings. Number 7. Family Therapy. It focuses on improving communication and resolving conflicts within family systems. This course covers various models of family therapy, including structural, strategic, and systematic approaches. You will learn how to assess family dynamics and implement interventions to promote positive change in families. Number 8. Couples Therapy. Basically, couples therapy aims to enhance relationship satisfaction and resolve interpersonal conflicts. In this course, you will learn techniques to improve communication, manage disagreements, and strengthen emotional bonds. The course also explores common challenges in relationships and strategies to address them effectively. Number 9. Stress Management at Workplace. This course focuses on identifying stressors in the workplace and developing strategies to manage them. You will learn techniques such as time management, relaxation exercises, and cognitive restructuring to reduce stress. The course also discusses the impact of workplace culture on stress levels and ways to foster a supportive environment. Number 10. Psychic Skills for Self-Care. This course emphasizes the importance of self-care for mental health professionals. You will learn strategies to maintain personal well-being, prevent burnout, and manage the emotional demands of the profession. The course also includes practical exercises and resources to support ongoing self-care practices. So now you have all 10 online courses to boost your skills, confidence, and knowledge in counseling psychology. But yes, here's a small suggestion from my side. Try completing these 10 courses over the next 10 months, maybe even make it your New Year's resolution. These are very budget-friendly courses, so don't worry about the cost. If you have any doubts, want guidance on any course, or want a part 2 covering other online platforms or advanced certifications, comment below and I will help you personally. And of course, if you found this video useful, like, share and subscribe the channel so you don't miss any further videos. Happy learning. See you in the next video.